Gates open, the rough and bracing, speed maker, My Queen down on the inside, rushing up, firm grip, moving up by the rally, Queen of Class together with Dandino. There's a spill. Entry number 9, Lady King with Jackie Patti Dilemma. My Queen Speedmaker fighting it out for the lead. Dandino is racing in third by about 4 lengths. Queen of Class racing in fourth from the outside and firm grip. And the far turn, My Queen by an Speedmaker. Getting closer now is Dandino. Queen of Class moving up from the outside as they raise the last 500. Speedmaker, My Queen. Queen of Class on the outside and Dandino as they raise the final corner. Queen of Class, the favorites, now the leader, Speedmaker, Dandino, My Queen, and moving up by Drell, and nearing the finish line, Queen of Class by about 3 lengths now, followed by Speedmaker, Salim, down on the inside, and nearing the finish line, 3 out of 3 from the stable of Mr. Putspuya, this time on Queen of Class. Second, close, firm grip, Speedmaker, Salim, Dandino, My Queen, for your Super 6.
Ang nakita ko lang 7284.